ng butas para sa pinto papunta sa kabilang lote. Ayan na. Pinakbak na nila mula pa kahapon after their work ng mga construction worker. Tapos kanina lunch time nila, sumaglit sila dito. Tapos mamaya ulit. Kaya lang biglang umulan. Ewan ko ano gagawin nila after work nila. Ayan o, biglang umulan. Basa. Pero mabuti naman para sa mga ano tawag dito, sa mga tanim. Nakaligo sila. Although nagdilig naman ako kanina, pero iba pa rin yung mabasa, yung ano, yung mga dahon nila at lahat. Lumamig tuloy ang aming lugar. Tingnan nyo guys, oh, butas na. Butas na. World, tayo ay mag-garden dahil marami na namang tumubo. Ayan, oh. Ang papaya, laki na, oh. Yun yung naligaw lang na papaya. Ito na, ni-ready na ni Louie Boy ang aking mga kailangan. Ay, pala tayong susi. Kuha muna tayong susi. Dami nang tumubo. Hindi na siya bilog. Alexa, play Air Supply.
To just play songs by Air Supply, you'll need to sign up for Amazon Music Unlimited on this Echo Plus. It's free for 30 days and then $5.99 a month until you cancel. Terms in the Alexa app. Should I start your free trial and play music by Air Supply?
No. Alexa, volume 9.
I know the girl sees the...
Okay guys, na-trim ko na ang mga tanim. Nag-i-edging na lang. Ay, ito kalbo pa rin siya, oh. Ito, nag-i-edging ako. Kasi kung walang edge, ayan ang itsura niya. Magulo siyang tingnan. Pero kung may edging, ayan. Meron nga pala tayong ano guys, so I think tubig yan na bill. Buksan natin. Bill reveal, tubig. Tingnan natin kung magkano. Ah, thank you Lord. 563.50. Kahit na marami na tayong tanim na dinidiligan. Alright, very good. Thank you Lord. Dati ang bill ko sa tubig $300 plus pag summer kasi ay nagdidilig. Ay si Louie Boy, oh. Dumating na.
Hindi pala pwedeng gamitin ito eh.
Bakit?
Paano kung
Akala ko video lang.
Eh.
Tapos na rin ako dito guys sa labas. Sa loob. Oh, ayan na. Pinagtitriman ko. Guys, paki-comment kung itong tanim na to, kung puputulin mo at saka itutusok mo lang sa lupa, mabubuhay ba siya? Kasi may mga tanim na pwedeng ganun, 'di ba? May mga tanim din na hindi siya pwede. Pero ito ba, pag tinusok mo ito, mabubuhay ba pagka magulang yung sanga? Kasi ang taas na, oh. Ayan o. Ito, gusto kong putulin. Kung pwede siyang tutubo pa. Paki-comment kung sino may alam. Ayan guys, malinis na. Tinulungan ako ni Louie Boy. Alisin ang mga basura. Yan, di pa tapos. Lalagyan pa yan ng gate. Pero may butas na yan guys, di ba? Yan yung ano, opening papunta sa kabilang lote. Tapos ito rin, malinis na. Ha? Ang alin? I did. Ito yung ano guys sa kabila oh. Kabilaan yun ang butas, ayan. Ano lang yan? Plywood lang yan dyan. Para may takip. For now. Lalagyan niya ng gate. Tapos dito yung kawayan lang na fence. Neighbor namin guys, for sale na. Rental yan dati. So ayan guys. Pagka galing tayo dito sa front, ito ang porch, ito ang bahay. Magle-left lang tayo, nandyan na ang kabilang opening ng kabilang lote. Pero lalagyan natin ng gate na parang ganyan. Okay? Kakape muna kami guys. Gawa muna akong kape. Itong okra. Yung okra ko ganito lang kataas. Hindi sila lumaki. May bunga silang ganyan. Pinick up nila guys si Sky. Ha? Picked up Sky guys. 2 nights siya dun sa dog hotel. Thank you JR and Daddy.
He said he didn't bark, but he's Colette.
Why, what were you doing, Colette? You did not bark, but you were Colette. Ay, ay, ay. Good morning, world! Okay.
Quartets.
So, quartet na. Ito na kinain nila. Pinick up nila si Sky from the dog hotel. Tapos, McDonald's. Oh, sarap daw ang spaghetti.
In the Philippines, they have spaghetti and chicken.
Yeah.
Fried
Ay,
chicken.
McDonald's.
Jay, how about yours?
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti and chicken.
Chicken
And
mix.
mom's rice.
Mom's rice.
Chicken
Then,
rice.
that one is bony. This one is meaty. You like this?
Okay. Either way, it doesn't matter. What do you want?
No, I mean you because you don't eat bone. Yeah.
Yeah, that's very
you eat
bony.
meat.
Okay.
That's bony. So this one is meaty. Look.
Okay.
See?
Thank you.
So there's a lot of meat.
But they will still give you the bones,
the bones
to
you
eat.
know. Oh, this is
You want? Oh, here's yours. That's
what's
Angel's.
this? Angels.
Oh yeah. Thank you. What is that?
Just Sprite.
Kain tayo, guys.
Guys.
Kain tayo, say
Thank
kain
you,
tayo.
Kain tayo.
Kain tayo.
Punta kami mamaya sa mall.
Kain tayo.
Pero
Spaghetti is good.
sabi ko kumain muna sila para hindi tayo nagmamadali dahil sobrang gutom. Did you guys pray?
Yeah.
All right,
together.
let's eat. Oh, we did. That's right.
Spaghetti is so good.
Is this? So how was the food?
Not that good.
Not that good?
No.
Ah, no, it's not
I'm kidding.
good.
I
Yeah, it
already
was not
finished-
good.
Yeah. Look how I eat chicken, down to the bone.
That's the first time I saw you like that.
Yeah,
You
I started
always
eating
used to
like
give
that.
us the bones.
It's because I love getting bone-in wings and stuff.
Guys, so what were you asking JR when you were in the car? Yeah. Are you happy, guys, that you saw how we live here?
Because, like
Because
I said,
you'll be-
the first few months, I was a little worried because it's a new place. Again, you guys have lived in America for so long, so you got to transition back
Yeah.
to the lifestyle. It might be a little shocking for a little bit. You got to know the community. You guys are new to the community.
Unsafe.
Yeah, I don't know if you don't know if it's unsafe. You got to know people. But now that I see like
How we live.
how you live, everyone around is friendly to you guys. It's a good community. It's safe. It's a relief to see in person because they tell us that they're okay, they're doing okay. But then in my mind, I'm like, are you sure you're okay? like, are you okay financially? Are you okay?
Yes.
You feel secure, but
Thank you guys
Thank
for your
you,
care
thank
and
you,
your
Anna.
concern.
How about you, Jay?
I agree with everything that you said. I'm glad that you guys live here. It's a peace of mind for us.
Okay, guys, I need you to like introduce yourself real quick because people are it's confusing because most people think that JR is the oldest because or older because he's taller. But okay, tell them.
I'm Christian Angel. I'm the oldest. Even though I don't look like it. I have no facial hair. I can't grow facial hair. Can't grow hair. But I got a full head of hair. I'm the oldest brother.
And how old are you?
26.
And you are?
I'm Louis. I'm JR. I have the mustache.
It's the main room. Sige.